the Gerber Tactical Bullrush multiplier. It's got all outboard components so you can get access to things quickly and easily. G10 scales on the outside of the multi-tool allow you to have confident grip in all environments. The first is a sheep's foot blade. This is great because you've got a curved blade up top for slicing through things, and you've also got serrations for cutting through harder material. It's all held in place with a liner locking mechanism so you know you have a confident and secure blade when you're using it. Next to that piece is a Phillips head driver with extended reach. This allows you to apply a lot of torque on your screw. On the reverse, you have a very important component, the strap cutter. The strap cutter gets people out of a vehicle very safely. It also allows you to gain access to a casualty's wounds quickly. Also held in place with a liner lock. On the inside of the multiplier, you've got an ergonomic handle that fits against the curvature of your hand. You've got a needle nose tip and wire cutters. What's also great about this multiplier is it's spring loaded, so you can use it upside down, left-handed or right-handed. This is the Gerber Bullrush Tactical Multiplier.
Time for a reality check. What's the worst that could happen? If this is your answer, then this is your multi-tool. But if you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope, keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
This is the real Avid pistol tool. The first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel picked scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.